Hi! In this video I'll show you how to export a still frame in CapCut for PC. Let's do it! Okay, let's say I want to export a still frame of this video. Let's select the perfect frame, like here. Nice. Let's go here on the Player tab, click here, and export still frame. Let's choose a name. Here you can click to choose a folder that this file will be exported at. Resolution 1080p, it's okay. Format, you gotta choose PNG or JPEG. I will choose JPEG. And if this option is on, after you export the file will be imported into this session. And if this option is off, the file will be only in the folder that you choose here, but will not be imported inside this session. I want to import it. Okay, now click in Export. And here it is, ocean.jpg. And if you go to the folder that you choose, here in Documents, here it is as well, the still frame of your video. And that's how you can export a still frame in CapCut for PC. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel to get new content every week. See ya!